Today I am unbelievably stoked to be riding with Amanda from As the Magpie Flies and Kris and Nathan from For the Love of Knobs. Oh, this is Green Peter Dam. I did not think we would hit snow today, so it was not my intention to trick Amanda into coming up and riding in the snow. That's just a happy accident. I could tell Nathan is excited about it. It's definitely more than I bargained for today. Ooh, yeah, okay. Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to the Dork Side. I am the Dork in the Road, and today I'm going riding with three of not only my favorite, but also your favorite YouTubers. That's right, everyone. I am the Dork in the Road, and I want to be your internet riding buddy, so please consider subscribing, and don't forget to turn on those notifications so that you know when I post awesome new content just like this. Today, I am unbelievably stoked to be riding with Amanda from As the Magpie Flies and Kris and Nathan from For the Love of Knobs. So if you haven't subscribed to their channels already, what are you doing with your life? Get over there and do that right now, and then come back and enjoy the video. Should be a great ride today.
And the beautiful twin.
Look who's here, it's Kris and Nathan. Look at the Oregon motovlog off-road riding trifecta. We're all together. And look who's over there. Yeah, it is a symposium. That's right. Look at all these famous people in my house. I feel like this is basically Hollywood for Oregon motorcycle YouTubers right now. Are you guys stoked? I'm stoked.
I'm so excited.
Check out this setup. They trucked all the bikes down. So this is impressive. Impressive. So we're gonna unload and, I don't know, go ride, I guess. Unless we get into the whiskey, and then we're not gonna get very far. But could happen. Amanda's doing her intro.
For the Love of Knobs and special edition Day.
That's right, I'm here. Dork at my house.
What did you call us earlier? Oregon royalty?
Luminaries, you know, you're the incomparable. I think you should add that to your channel, because our names aren't long enough.
Oh, that's true.
I was noticing that as I was typing them all into Instagram today, so we probably should add some adjectives. All right, we're mostly geared up. We unload. It's the next day. It's taken us this long to get all of our gear on.
Had to call in sick to work today.
Yeah, they've actually been living here for a week. It happens. It's a motorcycle commune now. But, we're gonna head out.
You enter to win your free period. Oh, yeah, the pairing, and then one person hits the button.
One hour later.
Not yet.
They have a men's riding suit.
Looks like Master right? Off-road start
Oh! He's doing loops around that soda can. This is all great footage for me. Just keep doing it. I could sit here all day. We're good? All right, let's go look at some wilderness. All right, this is Foster Lake. We are gonna head up to Green Peter and over the top. It's gonna be a fantastic day. There's the dam off to your right. Hard to see through the trees, but there it is. That's a decent view. So let's ride across it. Yeah. Level is very low, but this is Green Peter Dam. It is a much farther drop on the other side. Here, I'll show you, sort of. Yeah. But no traffic. Whoa. Was that you? I thought you were trying to get me to stop. I was like... Well, at least you figured out what it was. That happens. That'll happen. Oh, the gate's actually open, but they get a grouchy when you ride up there. We actually could. We could stop on the dam and put the drone up if we wanted to. It doesn't look like there's much traffic today. Oh, we can just ride in circles because that's also fun. We get it. You want attention, okay? Seriously. Right. Yeah. There is that. Right here, we won't be in the way. Right. Well, I think that's what this used to say. In the 60s when they built this dam. You guys should not follow my lead, just FYI. If you haven't figured that out yet. Alright. The best move ever. Well, I always just step on the foot peg just because I'm not that flexible. Oh, I'm sorry. That was for you. Yeah. yeah, there's a little frost, there's a little snow on the trees up underneath. You can see it over there, just a little dusting. Oh yeah, there's snow right there on that tree. Ooh, that's okay. It's too warm for it to have light. Oh yeah, I'm seeing it now. Okay, this could be fun. This could be fun. It's always possible to just turn around and go back the way we came, so don't sweat it. Yeah, we are never going to be overcommitted today. Oh, they're legit snow. There's some awesome picture opportunities up here. This is going to be good, especially if it gets any worse than this. But it's not on the road, so I'm not worried yet. Yeah, this is cool. For those of you watching at home, I did not think we would hit snow today, so it was not my intention to trick Amanda into coming up and riding in the snow. That's just a happy accident. I'm sure we're close to the top or something. Well, wow, that is a view. Gorgeous. Whoa, it's snowing on me. The wind is blowing it off the tree. Awesome. I was not expecting snow, so this is gorgeous.
Yeah, it is. It's cool.
This is the best type of snow riding too. I wouldn't mind like I said, 1 inch on the road, maybe, but it's nice to be in it but not have to deal with it. I know we're close to the top. Okay, well, I say that a lot. I feel like we're probably close to the top, just because there's not a lot of mountain left over here. Oh, there's a little on the road. It's nothing to be alarmed about. I just don't want you to be surprised. Yeah. Wow, holy sh! Why am I not looking at these things? Okay, we're getting a little snow, so you tell me if you start to get anxious. Because, you know, we have to be close to the top. And this is all fresh and wet, which is nice. Yeah. Oh, here, this is a good spot. Wow, cool. I'm gonna try to park in the snow and take some pics. Did you find a spot? You did. Well, I didn't think we'd hit snow today, so that's awesome. I could tell Nathan is excited about it.
Okay, serious hair pose and then funny one. It got you in the middle of running.
Nathan's blurry. He's the Flash.
I was gonna jump on your bike, but you were in the way.
Not bad right here, guys. Yeah, see, we're almost to the top. And it's light even at the top. It's fine. Ooh, sliding. This is fun. This is legit snow. Oh, thanks for going first. It's nice to get some footage of somebody else. Yeah, see, we're going down. I told you that was the top. Wow, that is gorgeous off to the right.
What did you say about being the top and going up again?
I mean, I haven't actually ever been up here, but I mean, you're leading now, so it's not really my fault if we get into some now. It's becoming actual snow. Yeah, okay, well, like I said, we can always turn around. It's definitely more than I bargained for today. I don't know how much farther up we're going. Got your skids out, that's good. You guys good?
I'm good.
Okay, this is definitely more than I thought we were gonna see, but like I keep saying, we're gonna go down real soon. Yeah, someone's going down. Okay, well, I mean, it looks like we're going down now, but it's easier to go downhill in the snow anyway. It's harder to stop, but it's easier to go forward. Man, pretty though, pristine. You guys are not gonna let me pick the routes anymore. It looks like it might be a little icy underneath. Sorry. I tend to verbally process everything that's happening, so that's maybe not that helpful for you right now. Just slow and steady. I'm just gonna keep moving. Yeah, I really feel like I'm now. Ooh. Oh, this is legit powder. It's because we're not under the tree cover. It's only going to be like this in the open spots. All right, well, like I was explaining earlier, there is no gatekeeping bullshit on my channel, turning around is always perfectly acceptable. I mean, we can see what it looks like right up there. Seems like a flat spot to turn around if we wanted to. You good? Ooh, yeah, okay. We probably shouldn't have stopped.
That was me.
You're good. You're all right. You got momentum. I'm gonna pass you, just to get up and get a look. Well, this is a hell of a spot to turn around. Whoa, dude. Well, I mean, unless we're getting back under the cover, which we might be. Let me just go up around this bend. I'm not gonna say that forever and end up in Detroit, but yeah, this is actual snow, so I feel you. It does get, it's back to where it was up here around the corner, but there's definitely some to get through to get here. Yeah, okay, I'll come back. All right, y'all. Well, it's getting a little sketchy. We're talking inches of snow instead of, you know, dusting of snow, and not all of us are on true 50/50 tires, snow goodness tires, so I think we might turn around, and there is no shame in that when you reach a sketchy situation. I think Amanda's not gonna be able to come much farther, so we might turn around. Yeah, this is more than I bargained for on the twin anyway, so I'm cool. I don't know how much worse it's gonna get, and I'm clearly overly optimistic that we're gonna hit something better, because we have not. It's just continued to get worse. It's definitely a longer ride back, so we'll get more time on the bikes today. Well, Africa Twin in the snow. I've done it now, at least. Oh yeah. Well, fun. I've ridden my twin in the snow for real now, so I'm a real boy. Oh. Nathan's just putting on a clinic over here. It's starting to become a theme that when I navigate, we don't end up where we're supposed to go, so maybe I should not be navigating anymore. This is all new experiences. Pretty cool. This is definitely one of those experiences that once we're done, I'm gonna be like, that was awesome. But like, while I'm doing it, I'm like, I'm a little sketched out. It is pretty. It's a technical term. Oh, my water is quite cold. It's refreshing. No, it's my fault. It's not more thoroughly investigating this route. I really didn't think we'd hit snow. Oh, I love the way this thing sounds. Hey, what's up? Oh, God. A little bit of a drop. Oh. Well, that'll be the tallest thing I've taken this bike off of. Whoa. You were too excited. You're like a 13, when it was you like 12 and a half. Okay?
You went down the river.
Yeah. No, that's too low. That's too low. All right, y'all. Thank you all for coming along on this adventure with us. It has been so much fun and fantastic to ride with, for the love of knobs, Kris and Nathan, and the incomparable Amanda, which is her new name when she becomes a magician, from As the Magpie Flies. So make sure you subscribe to their channels. Obviously, there are links in the description. Go check them out for more amazing Oregon-based, awesome off-road riding content. And as always, please do not forget
To be excellent to each other.
Yeah. No, you're right. I should not say two. You got it. You picked up what I was putting down. You stepped what I was stepping in. And as always, please do not forget
to be excellent to each other.
Thank you. Gesundheit.
Excellent!
good freeze frames from that.
Yeah.